Hello everybody, I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com, and today, this may be my last video regarding Ztegrity Zblackcard. Why? Because I received a refund. That's right, Ztegrity sent me a refund. But, as you know, there's more to the story, so we'll get into it. Please, like, subscribe, click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. All right, so here's the deal. I'll make this short and sweet. They sent me back $320 in a money order. I'll show a picture of it because actually it was sent to my house and I don't have it here. So I'll post up a picture on it for you. And it's just a simple money order, $320. But here's the thing. I paid, I believe, I'm not for sure, I paid May $70 because I was an elite member for the 10K trade line. June I paid $70 and July I paid $70. August, September, I stopped paying. So therefore, the thing is, in actuality, the extra 210, I guess we'll call it just like that guy that did Ice Baby. I can't remember his name. But anyhow, he funded Death Row Records with a deal. So I guess I'm helping to fund Ztegrity and Zblackcard. So they sent the 320, they did not send the 120. The latest updates for Zblackcard, and this will be my final, is they're going a whole nother direction. So you remember all that, we're not a trade line, we don't want to have anything to do with credit repair, all this, that, and the other. Well, now there's promises of getting people improving their credit score. There's promises of getting somebody a $5,000 loan with low interest rates, even with, I'm assuming, you got to have a 700 credit score, so that's a good credit score. You can get a loan if you have a 700 and something credit score. So I don't know what the advantage of that is. But the fact is they went in a whole different direction. They're still trying to do the banks. They're still trying to get the trade lines done. I don't really know what to say at this point. All I can say is good luck to all Ztegrity and Zblackcard members who are trying to create a business from all the chaos. But hotel room keys, now that they're using Zblackcard members as a sales force, they've got, I don't even know what else is going on. You're gonna have to check out their debit card TV, because quite frankly, who knows what the heck's going on. Every week it's something new just to keep people in and to seemingly keep people paying their monthly dues. Although there's something exciting that they stopped. If you just were in there for the trade line, then you don't have to pay anymore. At least he said that in an email. He's never said that on the call, which is kind of funny. But that right there will stop people from signing up, quite frankly, unless people want to turn into a sales force. You'd have to sell their wares, is basically what he's turning it into. So the 10,000 people, congratulations. You are part of the Ztegrity Zblackcard sales force. And as a group, which will be like a buyer's group, I'm sure that's what is going on, and he's able to parlay that into other business ventures for you, so you'll save on travel, hotel, airlines, all these other little things that when you have a group that you're able to get some little perks, which end up being no perks really. You can just go online and get the same rates. But anyhow, good luck everybody. They did send me back a refund. I've heard other people did not get a refund, and that's all I have to say about Ztegrity Zblackcard right now. There's nothing else I need to say. So this will be my last video probably on this subject matter, simply because it's just a wait and see game. It can work out, it may work out, it may not work out. So good luck everyone if you decide to stay with them. In the meantime, I'm on to doing what I normally do and possibly new green pastures. So I might as well put a plug in for what I'm doing. Save yourself on your cell phone bill. I have the service, MCS Telecom. There'll be a link below for you to sign up. $300 one-time payment, no cell phone bill for 9 years, no monthly, no yearly, no long distance, no roaming, and you can call 92 plus countries. and unlimited data. There's an asterisk. They're gonna throttle it back. We're in beta testing, but so far, my data works fine. Free hotspot, that works too. So long distance, meaning I can call Costa Rica, Panama. Where else have I called? Well, you guys saw the video. Australia, India. I've called Hungary. I've called UK, of course, Mexico, Canada, no biggie. I don't even know where else. Dominican Republic. So there's a list on the website of the 92 or 93 countries you can call. So that's the latest thing, and we get to make money on it. So if anybody wants to find out how to make money, just send me a link, send me an email at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com, and I'll hit you up with the information. So that's it. Keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.
Stay